Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time on an AmuTorch TC750. Now I was sent this by Banggood.com, comes in this box, kind of a plain box, so let's wait no further, let's open it up and see what's in. Now to my understanding here, this is the XHP 50 version. They also make an XHP 70 version as well. User manuals are always in Chinese. Comes with a nice lanyard here. It's thick on the rope there too. Comes with an extra tail clicky there assembly and a grommet cover and also some O-rings. Alright. So let's go ahead and take a look at the light. There it is. It's a long barrel, takes two 18650s. It's got a side switch and a tail switch. Now it appears to say shadow on here, but here's the model number here. It's kind of nice, I like that. You can still use it like that if you want. It's also an anti-roll ring there. And that is pretty smooth with the body, so you may have some issues with finding it in the dark. A lot of heat sinking here. It's got a flat finish on here. Finish is pretty good on here. Got a couple little rub marks on here, but they'll probably come off if I clean it here. But other than that, finish is pretty good on this. Style and design is actually pretty nice. And I like the way it's got some detail around the power switch. It's got that steel bezel on there. And let's go ahead and take a look at that deep reflector there. This is running the XHP 50.2 LED. Very nice. Now I've done quite a few AmuTorch lights lately, and they've all been very good in quality. Alright, so let's go ahead and take this apart and we'll show you some details here. Alright, and we're going to go ahead and show you the spring on that. Nice quality on that. Well greased threads. Take the barrel off the head here. Well greased threads on there. I'll show you the head of the light there. It's got some drivers on there. Okay, let's go ahead and put it back together. And I'm going to be bringing the cells that I'm going to be using in my test here. These are the eFest 2500 milliamp. These are an unprotected button top cell. These are 20 amp cells. Really nice. Show you the bottom end. Alright, I've had some really good luck with these. And we're going to go ahead and put them in, and let's get started with the UI. Alright, now the UI is pretty simple. You turn that on the tail clicky, and then you're going to find the side switch here, and we're going to go through the light outputs. And that is a lot of light coming out of that. Wow. Really nice, very large spill on there. Very nice, tight, hot spot on there. Very little bleeding. Definitely going to be more of a thrower. Very nice. Then of course, now in order to get into the strobe, you're going to double click on the side switch. And that is a constant speed strobe. And then it goes right back to where you have the last light output. And this light does have memory mode, so you can turn it off. Turn it on, it will memorize your last light output. Alright, well that's all there is to this light. Very simple and easy to use. So let's go ahead and take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the AmuTorch, and we're going to go ahead and turn that on. Try to slide my hand down here so I can get to the side switch here. And that water spout is 38 feet there. Got a nice spill at this light output here. Beam profile there. Let's see if it's going to make Tree of Life, faintly making that. We're going to go up to the next level here. Spill has really come alive on this. It's got some good throwing range on this. Very nice wide spill, as you can see. Tree line, fence line, tree line. Very nice. Easily making it across the park. And again, making those trees there. Doing really good. Very nice performance and light output on this light. Alright, so we're going to go to the next level here. Hotspot is doing really good. Fence line, tree line there. Really nice wide spill on this. Very nice. Now the hotspot still remains large there. So as you can see how wide this beam is with the hotspot on the Tree of Life here. It is making those palm trees now. Doing really good. Man, very impressed with AmuTorch. Man, that looks great. All right. I hope you enjoyed those night shots. All right, well, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed those night shots. The performance on this thing is excellent. I was really surprised it's got the throwing range that it does. And I think it has a lot to do with the reflector here, relatively large according to the body here. In any case, the build quality is very good on this light. Some issues with the finish here. I don't know if that's appears to have a little bit some rub off areas here due to the fact that it is black, but it's not in any way dug in or showing scratches of any sort. It just appears to be like rubbed off on the edges here. Not too sure about that. Not really too much of a con because it is still black. So another excellent performing AmuTorch. I've got to take my hats off to them. They make a very nice performing products. And I want to thank again Banggood.com for sending me this to review. Now, if this is something you're interested in getting, they have provided me a special discount code. And if you're interested, you can look up right up on that screen right about there. And that'll help you save some money should you be interested. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these type of lights to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.